Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You have admin access and a backup ready. Do not proceed to disable core protections without a clear reason, because threats increase immediately. Instead, start by identifying the specific behavior that is problematic. Once done, make sure to test targeted fixes such as app exclusions or permission changes. You are taking a measured approach. Confirm policies, document the need, and prepare to revert changes quickly if anything behaves unexpectedly. This prevents accidental exposure while you troubleshoot. You should first try safer configuration changes that address the issue without turning off protection. For example, add exclusion rules for trusted folders or executables to prevent false positives, and modify scheduling to avoid scans during critical tasks. If a different product is necessary, install it and let it manage real-time protection rather than manually disabling built-in defenses. This approach keeps you protected while solving the immediate problem, and it reduces the attack surface. When your tests are complete, immediately re-enable full protections and monitor for any residual issues. If the problem remains, restore from your backup or escalate to your IT team so they can perform controlled troubleshooting. Make sure virus definitions and the operating system are up to date, and schedule a brief security review to prevent recurrence. If you encounter unexpected errors, record exact messages and times so a technician can reproduce and resolve them efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.